It was 1990 when websites were static. People just used HTML and CSS to develop the websites, and they look very static. So that's why a 34 years old software engineer named Brenden Eich, who was working in a company called Netscape Communications Corporate located in California, USA. Brenden Eich wanted to make web pages alive. He wanted to add some dynamism to the web pages. So he, along with his company, decided to develop a programming language to make web pages dynamic. So in 1990, he created a programming language called JavaScript. Later, after 5 years, they renamed it as JavaScript. So this is how JavaScript created. This is the history of JavaScript. Now let's see what is JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language. It is used to make web pages dynamic. It is used for both client-side web development and server-side web development. For example, if you want to apply filters in a website, you usually use filter option. Then you'll get filtered result in the same page. So this action is developed by JavaScript. And sometimes as you hover on an image, then the image zooms in or zooms out. This is also developed by JavaScript. So this is all about client-side web development using JavaScript. Come to server-side web development. If you want to log into any website or app, then you'll enter your username and password. Then you'll get only your account from the database. So this is server-side web development using JavaScript. What are the uses of JavaScript? Using JavaScript, you can build websites, web applications, games development, web server development, mobile applications, etc. See, JavaScript is the top most widely used programming language in the world by developers as of now. Companies using JavaScript: Google, Microsoft, PayPal, Facebook, LinkedIn, Netflix. So these are the top MNCs using JavaScript. So that's all for the introduction of JavaScript. I hope you have understood the video. If not, I suggest you to rewatch the video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below.